Uthuthuria uria weketwo ni gikundi gia Kiambu kia bunge mashinani uronania ati Akenya aingi matire marataukwo mawira ma atongoria ao undu uria ucungireire hanene hari gwikururia kwa uthii wa na mbere kaunti ciao.
Lot of information that citizens don't have, and even when they have, they fail to be able to make the distinction or the relationship between how do I use this information to benefit my area or my neighborhood or my ward at the end of the day. So
afitha kuma gikundi giki Martha Nyamu augite ati kwaga kwa Kenya kwiyumiria hindi ya kungania mawoni kuri muingi niguo uteaniirie bata wa micemanio ino. Kuringana na Martha, kwaga umenyo kwa Kenya aingi hari wira wa mubunge, seneta kana governor ni uhotometie uthii wa na mbere kaunti ciao.
That role, I don't know who our ward admin role is. Many of them struggle to determine what the role of a senator is. Even our governor, what the governor does. Those gaps in terms of them being able to be very clear about the role of the MCA and the role of the governor and the function of county, those devolved functions.
Athari wagikiaritana kuri muingi ria gukorwo mari maitho hindi iria maracagura atongoria ao. Oho akiendekithia mathomo kuri muingi niguo mahote gutaukwo mawira ma atongoria ao.
The recommendations that have come with that report is that a lot of civic education needs to be done. Citizens also need to understand the relationship between decision making and leadership.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria kwa ripoti ya CSO baseline county ni ya Kiambu, Juma Hemendi uria uma mucemanio uyu ni orotete atongoria ni undu wa kwaga guthikiriria uge wa Wanjiku hindi iria micemanio ya tafanio.
Whenever we are having public participation, we need to have a situation where we are not having public participation at the same time elected leaders or elected officials are in.
Oneiketie ritana kuri atongoria ria kuheaga muingi kamweke ka kuheana mawoni mao hindi iria kwina mucemanio. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Mugo.